Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into our daily analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be seeing, is there any news that's revolving around Pepe? What exactly is next? And the question that I'm getting quite a bit over the past few days is, could we see Pepe break towards the downside? So we're going to be talking about all of that, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of July 20th, you guys can see, first let's talk about how close we are to the monthly end. This month feels like it started yesterday, and where did the month of June go? Time is flying like crazy. Let me know if you guys agree with me on that in the comment section. But if we're looking at the markets right now, you guys can see on the daily time frame, we're seeing a little bit of green across the board. Nothing crazy, but obviously we need to keep reminding ourselves, over the last 30 days, look at how the market is looking. A lot of people tend to forget this. When we're analyzing the charts, we tend to forget the bigger picture. And in the last 30 days, majority of the top 100 coins are up and they're outperforming Bitcoin. So is this really an indication that we're in an altcoin season? Possibly. But now let's talk about Pepe, because that's what we're here for. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price, it's holding really strong around this 151 cents mark. We're down about 2% in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum. But once again, insanely impressed at the way Pepe is holding. Obviously, when we pull out the charts, we will discuss that. But if we're looking at its market cap, $635 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 70.5 million. So, what exactly is happening? If we're looking at their Twitter, as of now, Twitter has pretty been quiet since, they reached that 420,000 followers, and their last tweet was on July the 18th. So, of course, that is something to point out. They haven't really tweeted anything since then. But if we're looking at the holder count, guys, look at it once again. Another day, another all-time high. And if this is your first time coming onto my channel, watching the Pepe updates, you guys should watch, all my old updates, to just kind of see the continuation upside in the holder count itself. And that is one of the best things to point out whenever I'm analyzing the price and, obviously the analytics for Pepe. And you can see once again an increase over the past few hours in the holder count. But you guys know what you're here for. You're here for the price. Everyone wants to know what is happening to the price. And the question of the hour, are we finally about to see Pepe break below this level of support? So before we get into the Pepe, let's analyze the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, once again, another day, another manipulation and a fake out. We did see the price of BTC go up to $30,388. Again, rejection back below 30,000. What am I saying? But, basically what we're trying to see is, is there strength picking up in BTC right now? As of now, over the past few days, that's not been the case. But right now, we're being supported by this range. If we lose this support line, $28,765 is on the plate. And that is something that we cannot ignore. And I want you guys to be aware of that. Don't just look at, the crypto, prices. You always want to be analyzing, obviously, the price of Bitcoin and have the other indicators out as well, like Bitcoin dominance. But one positive thing that you could see is that the dominance is continuing to go down, and this is what has really been causing a lot of hype, a lot of interest coming into the altcoins. Everyone is talking about altcoins right now. The fear is low. Compared to, just a few months ago, even when Bitcoin was hitting new yearly highs, we have seen the fear drop now because altcoins are pumping up. So could this be a sign that we could be seeing a reversal happening? Could see a retracement back down to 28,000, retest that range, and then see a bounce? We will see. But like I said, right now, if we were to lose this support line, we have to be mentally prepared that we could see the price of Bitcoin fall down to that 28,600 level of support. But now let's look at what's happening with the price. So 631 $631 million is the market cap. And this has been insanely interesting to analyze. This chart of Pepe has been insanely, to say the least, interesting, that I've been analyzing literally over a month. The way this project has held, for a project that has been a meme coin, but it has lived up to the hype. It has lived up to the way we would expect a project like this to hold. And once again, this support line has been playing out. And as of recording this video, look where it's sitting, literally right on that line. We did see a few wicks. Let's not forget, yes, we have seen wicks go below it, but every single time we have seen them pretty much being bought back up. These wicks haven't lasted too long. We've seen that happen 2, 3, and 4. Today is the 5th time we have seen that happen. So could this be the time where we finally see a break below and retest the June 29th lows? Let's put that into perspective. In order for us to retest those levels, that's a move of about 7%, 7.1%. And that could happen, to be quite frank with you guys, especially if BTC pulls back to these levels. I could see that happening. And also, one thing I'm starting to notice is a lot of people are starting to jump into altcoins. And that is no secret right now because, we've seen XLM blast up. We've seen XRP. XRP is, the massive catalyst that really got this, altcoin season going in the first place, where we've seen altcoins double literally 80%, 70% across the board. But, what I'm trying to say is right now, some interest is going into projects that haven't really pumped up. So, we could see, and I'm seeing this happening right now, people that have made profits with Pepe, they're taking their positions out and going into projects that haven't pumped because they think those could be the next movers up. And that is what's happening right now. You could go see this for yourself on Etherscan. What people tend to do is, they're probably thinking that, hey, if I were to sell, get into another position, make some profit off of that and re-enter this, I think that is what the overall narrative is going on right now. But, you can't be too certain that Pepe is going to remain at these prices because we could see a bounce back with the entire market. So obviously this is a risk people take. This is obviously up to the people, but that is what I'm seeing happening right now. You could even see this and track this on Etherscan for yourself. So obviously if we take those two factors into consideration right now, the hype factor, the interest has decreased compared to the previous days, but I'm not panicking. I don't think that is a thing to worry about because the bigger picture is still there. Accumulation is still happening, and it's continuing to grow, and we're about to hit 134,000 holders. So, if we need to keep these factors in mind right now, yes, there is a chance if Bitcoin were to retest that zone, as mentioned, we could be falling down to that June 29th lows. That would be the next support line. If we were to lose that support, next support is at that 1317 cents mark, which is again a move of about roughly 12.63%. So that is the current outlook that I have on Pepe. But as far as the bigger picture goes, things are looking good. I'm insanely impressed the way this has held, and I really believe that this has what it takes to be that next Shiba Inu. And someone pointed out yesterday that we will see utility come in Pepe. Pepe devs are aware that this will make this really last long, but again, we will have to see. There's no utility right now. It's all just meme, obviously, reminiscing from the Shiba Inu gains, and a lot of people are entering right, then, and this is labeled as the meme coin of the season. But as of now, there's no utility, but we will see what happens, of course, as we do go into the future. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys worried right now? Are you guys picking up more? What is exactly your strategy? Let me know in the comment section, and of course, let me know where you could see the price of Pepe going at the end of next month. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.